Hi, today we're making a little squishy bag. You'll need a tiny Ziploc bag or make one from the bigger bags, glitters, syringe, scissors, painting brush, decorative tape, and water beads. Soak the beads first in a small cup. When they're soft enough, put them into the syringe. Fill the bag with the beads from the syringe. You can add glitters if you want. Seal the bag by using the vacuum machine or just close the Ziploc. Cut any protein plastic. Finish the edges with decorative tape of your choice. And there you go, your own little glitter squishy bags. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!